Yeah. So I wanted to share with you guys today something about supports, and even though you can get away without them, I want to show you how important they are, quality. Also, if you don't already have them, get yourself some gloves like these. I think they're just like gardening gloves, like a rubber bottom. Get these at Dollar General or Walmart for like $1 a piece. They help tremendously with keeping your plate clean and contaminants. However, I just wanted to show you guys a few things here. So this guy finished last night while I was sleeping. Actually, let me pause this and pop them. I'm not going to take all the supports off right now because the other one I'm going to show you has them off. I'm in the middle of working right now. I'm just kind of on the bathroom break. But one thing I want you to notice is the sides here, how smooth they are, all that good stuff, and then the horns. So the horns are all smooth. And what was happening, I noticed, I'd come and check on the prints, and I tried to get away with minimal supports, critical regions only, which took out a lot of these main bigger ones here in the front. And I noticed that I could hear the nozzle hitting the model, and it would just cause that gear grinding sound of like a knock. And then I was kind of ignoring it until the other one finished, and then I noticed that it was pretty bumpy and stuff like that around here. It must have been from the bumping, and I was trying to figure out why that was happening. And I noticed on the other one, because it was missing these two back supports, it was allowing the mast to pop up and down ever so slightly, okay, and causing an oscillation which affected many layer lines, including the horns. Big quality issue there. I redid the blue one too, but let me show you the red one here real quick. So you'll see it on these horns, all these little I mean, the average person probably not going to notice or care, but you might. And then you can see it right here. It was jinking around a bit. So yeah, we got some layer lines up in there. And just, yeah, it's probably me being a little too critical. And you can see some of the banding in there as well. I'm surprised it came out as good as it did. Let's see, you got a blue one here too, I did. Very similar issue on the horns. I mean, I guess it's nice texturing, but same thing was happening here. You can see the banding in it. And then I think kind of on this lip, yeah, you can see where it's a little, let me see if I can focus. Man. But anywho, it's a little whatever. But still looks good, still came out good. It only really saved maybe a half hour to not use the extra supports, maybe a couple grams of filament. So yeah, just use the damn supports. Not really worth. This is a 2-day print, so it's not really worth taking the chance. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, follow, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.